This is the best water diet. You will lose 1 pounds every day. You will lose up to 1 pounds every day with this amazing water diet. But you can use this diet every other day. And you can't practice this diet all the time. You can use it occasionally. We highly recommend that you should use this type of water diet just once a week. Breakfast. You need to drink 1 glass of water or green tea, or all natural juice. You can eat fruits and drink all natural juices as much as you want. Between breakfast and lunch, drink water, green tea or all natural juice. Again, you should eat lots of fruits and drink all natural juice. Note: make sure you combine different type of fruits depending on the time of the year. You should always pick the ones that contain high amounts of liquid. So if it's autumn, winter, grapes and citrus fruits. And if it's spring, summer, watermelon. Lunch. Drink a glass of water before your lunch and a cup of green tea after lunch. You should eat lots of green vegetables for lunch. You can add vinegar, oil, lemon and spices to taste. Make sure you add some olives in your salad as well. You are allowed to eat any type of raw and canned vegetables: asparagus, artichokes, celery, lettuce, carrots, peppers, cucumbers, onions, corn, soybeans, tomatoes, etc. Snack. Drink a big glass of water, green tea or all natural juice. You should also drink a glass of milk or yogurt. Or you can eat 30 grams of low-fat cheese or 1 fruit. Dinner. You need to drink a glass of water before dinner and drink cup of green tea after dinner. For dinner you can eat 100 grams of meat, chicken, veal, or 150 grams of fish. Or you can eat 1 egg with raw fruits and vegetables. Remember, you can't practice this water diet every day because it will cause an unhealthy imbalance in your organism. The best way to use this water diet is every other day. And not for too long, but sometimes. Make sure you drink at least 8 glasses of water a day. This diet plan should be rich in foods which contain high amounts of liquid, such as fresh and raw fruits and vegetables. And you should also know that before you start using this water diet plan, you should consult your doctor first. Share your thoughts in the comments section below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to share with your friends and family.
You lose a lot if you do not add a piece of cucumber in the water. This drink is prepared effortlessly, but it has a delicious taste and is extremely healthy. All you need for its preparation is fresh water and a cucumber. Combine these both and you'll create an exceptionally useful and favorable potion. The consumption of enough fluids is one of the most important aspects of health, but frankly the water can become monotonous. Sometimes olives seek something that has a more emphasized flavor. Cucumber water is an aromatic and beneficial substitute for other drinks that we normally consume. As a result, its consumption can help in losing extra weight. The most effective way to lose weight is to reduce your intake of calories, so instead of fruit juices or soft drinks, drink this water with cucumber. Water has 0 calories and a cucumber has less than 50 calories, so if you add a few pieces of cucumber in a glass with water, you consume far less calories than if you have a can of soda, 150 calories, or a glass of apple juice, 113 calories. This refreshing water helps us keep a balanced appetite. When we are dehydrated, sometimes we feel thirst instead of hunger. When you drink cucumber water, not only you regain the necessary fluids, but you also enter enough calories in the body to alleviate hunger until the next meal. Despite its advantages for losing weight, this drink is beneficial for your skin as well, because the cucumber helps in acne problems. Silica in the cucumber helps to strengthen the muscle tissue. Cucumber water is full of helpful vitamins and antioxidants, including vitamins A and D. If you have a hangover, water cucumber will restore your energy. To be sure, there is not a single reason why to avoid this excellent drink. Preparation: take a fragrant, fresh cucumber and wash it well. Chop it in circles and leave it in water for several hours or overnight. You can also add lemon, mint or strawberries if you want a more intense flavor.